Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about Dr. Reddy's fall, which we saw today, and how we can, how we can get to these dates or get to these time cycles well in advance using a very simple concepts of time cycles. There are various concepts in time cycles, but I just wanted to explain you one time cycle concept which you can use to trade in which you can use to trade in stocks of your choice. And these simple concepts can be applied day in, day out in any stock of your choice, provided the stocks are liquid and are volatile. So having said that, I have shared this GAN stock screener for FNO stocks on July 21. This was shared on July 24th, and here I share a list of stocks using the program which we have developed, where we tend to find some important stocks which are completing their time cycles. So like if you can see here on 27th July, which is today, we have a lot of stocks like Dr. Reddy's, Tata Steel, Tata Motors, and Dr. Reddy's was also part of this list, which is here. Even Divi's Lab, Cipla, there are a lot of stocks which are part of this list, and even Sun Pharma was yesterday on 26. So how we can predict these stocks well in advance? So I'm just sharing one of the time cycle concept, which is based on both GAN concepts and the Astro concepts. Now coming to the Astro concepts, you need to understand the planet orbital period. Now any stock, any planet which moves, every sector is impacted by a particular planet, and every planet is revolving around the sun. And the orbital period is like how much time does it takes to revolve around the sun. Like for Earth, if you see here, we have 1 year of 365 days. For Mercury, it is 80 days, 88 days. For Mars, it is 687 days. Uranus is 84 years. Venus is 225 days. Jupiter is 12 years. Neptune is 165, years. So the planet which are far from the sun takes a lot of time to orbit around the sun, and the planets which are nearest, like Earth or Mercury, which is the fastest moving planet, it takes 88 days. Venus takes 225 days. Now, farmers are impacted a lot by Mercury and Venus. So 225 is a very very important number for all the pharma stocks. Now, if I take this, what I have to do is I have to find a major low. So this is a major low of Dr. Reddy's, which was formed on 31st August 2020. After that, we had a good rally. So I'll just go here, click on date range, select this, and just calculate 225 days from here, or 225 bars, which is exactly today. A very simple technique. I mean, you don't have to, and this might be a fluke. I mean, it might just work once in a while. So let's go and check some other example. Let's take this low. This was also a major low, and let's calculate 225 bars from here, which I think I've already done. It is coming somewhere here. 225th bar, 223, 24, 25. See here, it was also a major top, and after that, we had a slow and steady decline. Sometimes the declines are very slow and steady, and sometimes the declines are like today. So basically GAN also used to tell, like, when you have a time cycle date and it is accompanied by an event in that particular instrument, like for he used to trade mostly in commodities, and so grain or anything like that. So if they have some production data or something, and for stocks a result is the most major event, or some CEOs who are talking about the stock, something like that. So now today was a event, and today, like, if you see a 5 minute chart also, it was slow and steady. By the opening only, it was falling. So you need to have your technicals, you need to have your stop losses, and like there are, I mean, I generally used to, you wait for this day to get over, but when it is accompanied by the result, you basically see if the price is on the downward trend, you can just ride the move. You have to just ride the move on downside. So this is one of the way I can find it, and I'll tell you another way, which is a mathematical way. So what we have to do is we have to find a major low. If I see the stock, it made a major low somewhere here on 31st August at 4216. So let me just quickly show you the calculations which I have done. Let me go here. So Dr. Reddy's. So on 5443, it made a high on 12/1/2021, and it made a low on 20/11/2020. Let's go and quickly check these figures. So this is the high it made on 12 January 2021 on 5443, and on 20th November, which was somewhere here, yeah, this is 20th November, it made a small low of 4656. I've just taken, so basically highs and lows are always correlated. From a swing low, you can find a swing high. From a swing high, you can find a swing low. So I'm taking this swing to predict the dates. So what we can do is first find the swing high and swing low of stock of your choice. I've just put it this figure. Find the range. The range between them is 787 and divide this range. So you are just converting price into time. So I found this range of 787 and now add this range to the date. So on 12/1/2001, I add 787. I get a date of 10/3/2023. This is far away. Then I divide this range by 2. I divide this range by 3. I divide this range by 4. So 4 was giving me 27 July 2021. And with that, if you can see with this top, we can predict this today's top also. This was an important time cycle date. 1st October 2021. This is something you should keep an eye on. So, we have our own program. So we have like these are for so many stocks. ACC, like let's take an example. ACC was 11 July 2021. Let's quickly go and check what happened to ACC on 11 July 2021. So this is ACC's chart. This is 11 July, 9th, 10th, 11th. This is 13th, 12th, 11th. Yeah, this was a doji, and after that we had a big rally in this stock, right? And Hero Motocorp, let's quickly go and check. So Hero Motocorp is giving me 8th of July 2021, and Deepak Nitrite is giving me 3rd July 2021. So let's go and quickly check what happened on 8th July and 3rd July. For Deepak Nitrite, this is 3rd July, and you can see here this stock didn't reacted much. So we have to. It's not like a holy grail, but this high was never crossed, but it has hit. It has given a multiple whipsaws. So it doesn't work every time, but whenever it works, you tend to get a good move in the market. This is 8th July in Hero Motocorp, and after that it was a top only, and after that it is just falling, falling, falling. So this is a simple way you can use the time cycles using both GAN and Astro cycles. Apply them in your stocks and see how it is working out. Very simple techniques. We have our own programs which we have developed. We can get a lot of stocks, So something like Navin Fluorine, you can keep an eye on based on this particular methodology. I mean, we have a lot of methodologies, but this is just one of the methodologies which I wanted to share. Go ahead, apply it, and I wish you guys all the best. Thank you.